where Prime Minister Narendra Modi has arrived in Ahmedabad to cast his vote. For our viewers joining in, these are the visuals we're getting for you from Ahmedabad. The Prime Minister will be casting his vote today. This is the third phase of polling that the country is witnessing today. And here we see the Prime Minister is received by Home Minister Amit Shah, and in a just short while from now the Prime Minister will be casting his vote in Ahmedabad. And the crowd of people that has gathered is evident of the fact, of the aspirations, of the hope, of the optimism the people have from this opportunity, and how the Prime Minister is being welcomed with a roaring welcome, roaring applause in fact, in Ahmedabad. The Prime Minister has been fielded as Bharatiya Janata Party's candidate from the Varanasi constituency for Lok Sabha elections 2024. He will be contesting against independent Shyam Rangila, Congress's Ajay Rai and BSP's Athar Ali Lari. And here we see Prime Minister getting a roaring welcome in Ahmedabad, where people have gathered in huge numbers to catch a glimpse of the leader of the nation, the Prime Minister. And up our screens, we see this sentiment of positivity, of optimism from the leadership of the country, which the people are expressing today. The Prime Minister in Ahmedabad, where he will be casting his vote in a short while from now. Prime Minister Modi is the 14th and the current Prime Minister of the country, and he has been serving since 26th of May 2014. As we told you, Prime Minister is seeking a third term from the Varanasi constituency. Earlier, he had in fact secured a landslide victory in 2014, 2019 Lok Sabha elections. In the 2019 Lok Sabha polls, Prime Minister had secured a victory in Varanasi against Congress's Ajay Rai. Prior to this, he had served as the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014. The Prime Minister on his way to cast his vote in Ahmedabad. And what is to be noticed here is the swarm of people, the crowd of people that have gathered to catch a glimpse of the enigmatic Prime Minister of the country. Our correspondent Meghna is in Ahmedabad, and we were interacting with her a short while back, and she told us about this hope and this optimism, and she told us that people had already gathered in huge numbers. They had stepped out of their homes in huge numbers right in the morning, beginning of the morning itself, to cast their votes. And 25 seats in the state of Gujarat are up for grabs today. The seat of Surat had been won by BJP candidate unopposed, and today we see the political contest for 25 seats in the state of Gujarat. The Prime Minister is on our screens on his way to cast his vote in Ahmedabad. And it's not just about Gujarat, but we had our correspondent joining in from Bhopal also, and he also told us about the impressive response of the voters. All right, here we have the Prime Minister interacting and signing, in fact giving an autograph to one of the members of the crowd who have gathered there. And this is in fact a very important aspect of the personality of the Prime Minister, where he does not miss any opportunity to have a face-to-face personal interaction or a meet and greet moment with his countrymen. And yes, it was a beautiful moment right in the morning. The Prime Minister signing a sketch by one of the countrymen who have gathered there to catch a glimpse of the Prime Minister, to greet him. And this moment says it all, how the people are expressing through their enthusiasm, they're expressing their expectations as well. They're expressing their, resolve again. And here we see Prime Minister on his way to cast his vote in Ahmedabad. The vibrant city of Gujarat is all the more vibrant today as it awakens to cast the vote today for the general elections 2024. And the Prime Minister at every point through his journey, on the way through his journey, or if we could call it a small walkathon to the polling booth in Ahmedabad. And here we see Prime Minister. What a day, what a morning for this little girl to be greeted and to be clicked with the Prime Minister. And yes, this is what I was talking about earlier also. The Prime Minister does not even miss a single moment of a meet and greet opportunity with the countrymen. And this is what the approachability, the accessibility is what is a very important factor for a leader of the country that instills confidence in the general populace. And here, that is what is being witnessed in Ahmedabad as we see huge crowd of people has gathered there to catch a glimpse of the Prime Minister as he arrives in Ahmedabad to cast his vote. And this is in fact a very good example also set forth, the leader of the country arriving to cast his vote, and how we've seen repeated appeals by the Prime Minister for the countrymen to come forward and cast their vote to ensure that the electioneering, the process of election in the country is vibrant. And also as citizens, we should also be responsible, in fact, to know that this is not just our right but also our responsibility to cast our vote. And this has been the repeated appeal of the Prime Minister. Time and again, he has urged voters to come out in huge numbers to cast their vote and not miss this opportunity for the progress of the country. That will in fact ensure the progress of the country. The Prime Minister in Ahmedabad to cast his vote. He represents the Varanasi constituency and he is being fielded for the third time, for a third term from the Varanasi constituency. And earlier also in 2014 and 2019, he had secured a landslide victory from the same constituency. Just a while back also, we showed you a small snippet of an interview the Prime Minister gave to a private news channel just yesterday when he talked of how Kashi is like a mother to him and how he described the relationship he has with his constituency and how the constituency, how Kashi has adopted him as a son. And he also elaborately talked of how it is not just a relationship between a representative and his constituency, but how he considers Kashi as his own mother. In 2019, Prime Minister had secured a landslide victory in Varanasi against Congress's Ajay Rai. And he also has been leading the country since 26th May is when he was elected, and he has been leading the country since 26th May 2014. He in fact is the first BJP leader who has been elected for a second term after the completion of his 5-year tenure, and now we see the Prime Minister readying himself for general elections 2024. The ballots will be posted, and how we've seen the country has already voted in the last two phases of general elections 2024. The third phase of polling is being held today in 93 constituencies spread across the country. And here we see Prime Minister at a school in Ahmedabad where he cast his vote, setting an example for the countrymen to follow, to step out in large numbers, in fact, to vote. A very important point which had been put forth by the Prime Minister was to bring along family members also, to bring along friends also, so that they also, get a flavor of the democracy and the huge electioneering exercise across the country, and how that would help in making the process all the more vibrant. So here the Prime Minister in Ahmedabad just a while back cast his vote, and we see him again meeting and greeting fellow countrymen in Ahmedabad. Posters, slogans, people raising hands to welcome the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister has in fact seen it every time he steps out, but today is a special morning. It's the third phase of polling today, 7th of May, and the Prime Minister is in Ahmedabad to cast his vote, and he did that just a while back in a school in Ahmedabad, and he is acknowledging the roaring welcome, the roaring applause by the countrymen, by the people in Gujarat who have gathered there, and the Prime Minister there flashing the mark of the responsibility, the mark of the right on his finger. Just a while back we saw him cast his vote in Ahmedabad. "93 constituencies spread across 11 states and union territories are up for grabs today in the third phase of polling. Surat has been already secured by BJP unopposed, and because of that we see voting is taking place in 25 seats in Gujarat. Talking of the other places in the country, 11 seats in Maharashtra, 10 seats in Uttar Pradesh, and the remaining 14 of the 28 seats in Karnataka. The Prime Minister there flashing his sign of voting. He cast his vote just a while back, setting an example for the countrymen to follow. And we see a huge crowd of people gathered there to meet and greet the Prime Minister in Ahmedabad. People from all walks of life. In the visuals we can see children, women, elderly, all have gathered there to make the most of the morning, to catch a glimpse of the Prime Minister in Ahmedabad as he cast his vote just a while back at a school in the state. Voting is also taking place in constituencies in Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Assam, West Bengal, Goa, and the Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and Daman and Diu. Counting of votes will take place on June 4th. What a roaring welcome to the Prime Minister in Ahmedabad as he cast his vote. The Prime Minister signing the little, it's a very beautiful and a little gesture on part of the Prime Minister, but it means a lot for these people who've gathered there, getting an autograph from the Prime Minister, from the leader of the country. And here we see people flashing their mobile phones to catch, in fact to record this moment. Elaborate arrangements have also been made by the Election Commission of India across the country to ensure people come out in huge numbers to vote. And also, not just today but earlier in the two phases also, how we've seen people in fact defying the scorching temperatures across different parts of the country, stepped out to vote, and the Prime Minister time and again flashing his sign of voting today. And the people there acknowledging the Prime Minister's presence, the Prime Minister receiving the warmth and love and gratitude of the people there in Ahmedabad as he cast his vote just a while back. More than 1,300 candidates are vying for victory in this third phase of polling. And what is to be noticed is that 120 of them are women. Just getting you a small gist of this phase of polling. The prominent contenders are important political figures like Union Ministers Amit Shah, Jyotiraditya Scindia, Mansukh Mandavia, Purushottam Rupala, Prahlad Joshi, and SP Singh Baghel. The third phase of India's general elections in 93 constituencies spread over 11 states and union territories is taking place today across the country. And here we see Prime Minister Narendra Modi cast his vote in Ahmedabad in the morning just a while back. And people have gathered in huge numbers to catch a glimpse of the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister there, as the leader of the country, is setting an example himself for the countrymen to follow, to not miss or lose this opportunity to cast their vote and decide, have a say and decide in the leadership of the country. General elections mostly cover the national issues as a whole, and the local issues, they might not take a back seat, but in the general elections mostly the national issues are given more prominence. And what is to be noticed is that the people are very much aware of this opportunity. They are very much aware of the present scenario where they want a revamp for the country, where they want a progressive country, where they want success and prosperity for the country. And this is what we have been getting inputs from our reporters on, how the reporters have talked of people and their expectations, how they gauge the pulse of the people, of the voters across the country. And the very fact that people in huge numbers have gathered today in Ahmedabad to greet the Prime Minister is evident of the fact that people are aware of this opportunity when we talk of the general elections 2024 and how they are receptive and aware of how big this opportunity is and how they need to make the most of it. And in fact also this is a stamping on the fact of how they are aware of the progress and the path of development which the country is on, given the leadership of the country. Viksit Bharat is the idea which has been put forth by the Prime Minister, and how the people are aware that the country is on its way to becoming self-reliant and Viksit. The Prime Minister there acknowledging, again signing and giving his autograph on a sketch or the Prime Minister there acknowledging and receiving warmth and love of the people in Ahmedabad as he cast his vote. The Prime Minister is representing Varanasi constituency, and this is for the third time that he is representing the constituency. Chants of Modi, Modi, and also slogans, posters, huge applause. Everything is being witnessed as we see the crowd there welcoming Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Ahmedabad.
भाई गर्मी में आप लोग दिन रात दौड़ कर रहे हैं, तो आप अपने स्वास्थ्य की भी चिंता कीजिए, और क्योंकि चुनाव के दिनों में पत्रकार साथियों को दिन रात दौड़ना पड़ता है, और आज मीडिया की कंपटीशन भी इतनी है कि आपको समय से आगे दौड़ना पड़ता है। मैं तो यही प्रार्थना करूंगा आप सब पुराने साथियों को कि अपने स्वास्थ्य का जरूर ध्यान रखें, और मैं हमेशा कहता हूं कि पानी बहुत पीना चाहिए। जितना ज़्यादा पानी पिएंगे तो आपको बहुत स्वास्थ्य के लिए भी ठीक रहेगा और एनर्जी भी मेंटेन रहती है। आज तीसरे चरण का मतदान है। मैं देशवासियों को विशेष रूप से आग्रह करूंगा कि लोकतंत्र में मतदान ये सामान्य दान नहीं है। हमारे देश में दान का एक महात्म्य है, और उसी भाव से देशवासी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मतदान करें। आज तीसरे चरण का मतदान है। अभी और करीब करीब 3 सप्ताह चुनाव अभियान चलेगा। 4 मतदान के दौर आगे भी हैं। मेरा गुजरात में मतदार के नाते यही एक जगह है जहाँ मैं रेगुलर मतदान करता हूँ। और अमित भाई यहाँ से भारतीय जनता पार्टी के उम्मीदवार के रूप में चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं। मैं कल रात को ही आंध्र से आया हूँ। अभी गुजरात में हूँ। मध्य प्रदेश जाना है, महाराष्ट्र जाना है, फिर तेलंगाना जाना है। तो इतने कम समय में मैं ज़्यादा बात तो नहीं कर पाऊँगा, लेकिन मैं गुजरात के मतदाताओं को भी और देश के मतदाताओं का भी हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करता हूं, जो उत्साह उमंग से मतदान में हिस्सा लेते हैं। आज ये गुजरात देश के मतदाताओं का भी हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करता हूं, जो उत्साह उमंग से मतदान में हिस्सा लेते हैं। आज ये ગુજરાતમાં લોકતંત્રનો ઉત્સવ છે। આનંદની વાત એ છે કે પહેલા 2 ચરણમાં જે મતદાન થયું છે, હું ઇલેક્શન કમિશનને પણ અભિનંદન આપીશ, દેશના સુરક્ષા બલોને પણ અભિનંદન આપીશ અને ચૂંટણીની વ્યવસ્થામાં જોડાયેલા વહીવટી અધિકારીઓને પણ અભિનંદન આપીશ કે પહેલા 2 ચરણમાં क्या नहीवत हिंसानी घटना ध्यान में आई है। अदरवाइज आपने खबर है कि पहला चूंटणी में हिंसानो दौर चालतो तो आ वक्ते इलेक्शन कमिशन की अनेक व्यवस्थाओं। हूँ इलेक्शन कमिशन एटला माटे पण अभिनंदन करूँ छूं कि एमणे पूरू इलेक्शन केम्पेन वोटर फ्रेंडली मैनेजमेंट में एमणे ध्यान केंद्रित कर्युं छे। इवन आज पण मैं एमनी एक घड़ियाळ जोई, जे घड़ियाळ मतदार ने लगातार एलर्ट करे छे कि तमारुं मतदान थयुं अने बधाना मोबाइल पर एक घड़ियाळ अवेलेबल छे। तो इलेक्शन कमिशने पण टेक्नोलॉजीनो भरपूर उपयोग कर्यो छे। अने हूँ तो मीडियाना मित्रों पण कहीश के हम लोगों ने देश में भारत की चुनावी प्रक्रिया कैसी है, चुनावी मैनेजमेंट कैसा है और दुनिया के लोकतंत्र के लिए ये बहुत ही बड़ा सीखने योग्य एग्जाम्पल है। दुनिया की बड़ी बड़ी यूनिवर्सिटी ने केस स्टडी करना चाहिए। आज दुनिया में करीब 64 कंट्रीज में चुनाव है, उन सबका कंपैरिजन करना चाहिए। और ये वर्ष एक प्रकार से लोकतंत्र का उत्सव न सिर्फ भारत में, पूरी दुनिया में। और भारत ने दुनिया में जो भी अच्छी चीजें हैं वो चुनावी व्यवस्था में विकसित की है। और मैं मानता हूं कि इलेक्शन कमीशन इसके लिए बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन का अधिकारी है। आप सब मीडिया के मित्र तो अब भारत में 900 से ज्यादा टीवी चैनल्स है, 5000 से ज्यादा दैनिक अखबार निकलते हैं और वो तो पूरी तरह चुनाव के रंग में रंगे जाते हैं। और इसलिए हर एक का प्रयास और यही मंथन है जो लोकतंत्र को भी मजबूत करता है और देश को भी मजबूत सरकार देता है। तो मैं इसमें योगदान देने वाले एक लोकतंत्र के महायज्ञ में जो भी जितनी आहुति दे रहा है, सब अभिनंदन के अधिकारी हैं। मैं फिर से देशवासियों को यही कहता हूं कि आज गुजरात में और जहां जहां चुनाव का मतदान का दिवस है, बहुत भारी मात्रा में मतदान करें, लोकतंत्र के पर्व को मनाएं, उत्सव के रूप में मनाएं। मेरी आप सबको बहुत शुभकामनाएं, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Ahmedabad, where he just a while back cast his vote. And here we see he is being greeted by the people who have gathered in huge numbers in Ahmedabad. The Prime Minister there flashing his sign where that showcases how he cast his vote today morning, setting an example for the countrymen to follow. The Prime Minister there interacting with the people who have gathered there. And he also has signed the sketches, the little tokens that people have got, making for them this morning memorable. Prime Minister in Ahmedabad after casting his vote. The Prime Minister also interacted with the media persons. He just a while back applauded the media persons for their commitment in covering the electioneering in the country. He also, in fact, advised them to have more water to keep themselves hydrated in this scorching temperatures. He also talked of how Matdan is not a Samanya Dan. He said Matdan or voting is in fact an emotion. He also expressed gratitude to the voters for their participation in the biggest exercise of democracy across the world. He also appreciated the Election Commission of India for using technology to optimum use in encouraging voters to step out in huge numbers and vote. He also again urged the voters to come out in record numbers to vote and make this exercise a success, in fact a grand success. So Prime Minister in Ahmedabad after he cast his vote this morning. For our viewers who've just joined in, these are the visuals we're getting for you from Ahmedabad. The Prime Minister cast his vote in Ahmedabad, and here we see him interacting with the people there who have gathered to catch a glimpse of the leader of the country. And what a moment for these people who've gathered there. The Prime Minister of the country at an arm's distance for them, interacting with them. And this is the moment which instills more confidence in the leadership of the country for the countrymen. And the smiles there, the excitement, the enthusiasm is evident of the hope and the optimism that the countrymen have from the government and their leader. The Prime Minister in Ahmedabad meeting and greeting people, and the people there on their terraces to catch a glimpse of the Prime Minister, leaving again, no moment to miss. What a morning in Ahmedabad today. The BJP secured all the 26 seats in both 2014 and 2019. Landslide victory was scripted by BJP in Gujarat. But this time around, we see that Congress is in alliance with AAP and will contest from 24 seats. And also, AAP will contest in 2 constituencies in the state. The seat of Surat has been won by BJP unopposed. And the Prime Minister in Ahmedabad representing the constituency of Varanasi. The Lok Sabha elections in the country are taking place in 7 phases this time around. The first phase of voting was held on April 19th. The second phase was held on April 26th. And today we see the third phase of voting is being carried out across the country. The results for the Lok Sabha polls will be declared on June 4th. Since 2014, Prime Minister has led the country And prior to that, he served as the Chief Minister of the state of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014. The Prime Minister is seeking a third term from the Varanasi constituency. And as we speak, we tell you that the Prime Minister cast his vote just a while back in Ahmedabad. These are the visuals we're getting for you from Ahmedabad. The Prime Minister, amidst his followers, amidst his countrymen who've gathered there to catch a glimpse of the leader of the nation, and the roaring, heartwarming welcome the Prime Minister has received. And here we see two women there flashing a victory sign to the Prime Minister. And this is what I was repeatedly saying, these small gestures talk of the hope, the assurance, the optimism the countrymen have from the leadership of the country. The Prime Minister, they're setting an example for the people to follow, to step out of their homes and not take the voting day as a mere holiday, but to do their duty as well and step out in large numbers to vote for the next leadership of the country. People of all walks of life have gathered in huge numbers to welcome Prime Minister in Ahmedabad. The Prime Minister talked of his tight schedule wherein he will be crisscrossing the rest of the country to woo the voters. The campaigning is still in progress for the remaining phases, the fourth phase of elections. And today the Prime Minister is in Ahmedabad. He cast his vote just a while back at a school in Ahmedabad. And the moment the Prime Minister set his foot in Ahmedabad, we've seen this huge crowd of people has gathered at every corner, at every turn, at every point in Ahmedabad. And here we see people there in Ahmedabad at an astounding number have gathered right in the morning to welcome the Prime Minister. No part of either side of the roads looks vacant, and people have come there in huge numbers to welcome their leader, to catch a glimpse of the leader of the country. Prime Minister has also urged repeatedly to the voters to step out in huge numbers and cast their votes. He in fact urged all those who are voting in today's phase to vote in record numbers. Their active participation will certainly make the elections more vibrant, the Prime Minister posted on social media yesterday. The Prime Minister meeting the people after casting his vote in Ahmedabad. The elderly, the women, children, people from all walks of life have gathered to catch a glimpse of the Prime Minister. People on roads, people on terraces, people braving the hot summer morning. And the Prime Minister again there signing a sketch. Morning for these young who are getting their creativity stamped by the Prime Minister himself. Beautiful sketches put forth by the children in Ahmedabad. The Prime Minister there stamping their creativity with his signatures, and an astounding number of people have gathered in Ahmedabad since morning to catch a glimpse. All right, this young girl is luckier. She gets a signature on her palm itself, on her wrist in fact. The Prime Minister giving an autograph to a young girl in Ahmedabad. A beautiful moment in Ahmedabad today, the Prime Minister greeting and acknowledging the people there who have gathered to catch a glimpse of the leader of the nation in Ahmedabad. A moment Prime Minister never misses. All right, a beautiful day for this little child, for this little baby, unaware of the moment, but sure that in his life forever, a moment which he will feel proud of when he grows up, though not very much aware of what all is the mayhem right now, but I'm sure he will in fact realize the importance of it once he is a little grown up. All right, we've seen so many moments like this since morning where the Prime Minister has made the day special for the people who've gathered there in Ahmedabad, making sure that he acknowledges the warmth and the welcome that he is receiving in Ahmedabad. The Prime Minister has been, there is a special bond, a special connection of the Prime Minister with the state of Gujarat. He has been the Chief Minister of the state of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014. And also, we see him cast his vote in Ahmedabad today. He is representing the Varanasi constituency for the third time this time around in the Lok Sabha polls. But it is the connection, it is the bond he shares with the people of Gujarat that we see this huge number of people that has gathered today to welcome the Prime Minister in Ahmedabad, catch his glimpse, and also have a quick meet and greet session with him. The Prime Minister there flashing his sign of voting, the vote mark on his finger. These are the visuals just a while back where the Prime Minister cast his vote in Ahmedabad. For our viewers who just joined us, these are the visuals we're getting for you from Ahmedabad, where the Prime Minister just cast a vote a while back, setting an example for the countrymen to follow and to use their franchise. So that was it when we talk of the bonding today. The Prime Minister cast his vote in Ahmedabad. The country is witnessing the third phase of polling.